Hello. Are you able to see the video with audio?
So we can see the video, but it is not clean.
Now I had stopped, but earlier it was audible.
No, sir.
No, sir. एप्लीकेशन में वो ऑडियो भी आती है। हाँ सर क्रोम तेवढं वेळ पण नाही आता।
Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Okay.
Yes, you are audible.
Yeah, unfortunately we're not able to connect, and the video is coming there, but not audio. So it's not a good idea to just play that video in a mute mode. So what I will do that if I get that YouTube link of that video, I will just share through WhatsApp. I hope it is fine. What, Shaibal?
Yes, definitely.
Yeah, because right now we try to connect. We want. Sorry.
We'll share with all the participants.
Yeah. If I get that video link, I'll just share. So okay, yeah. Now also I'm not getting connected. What is that? Now also not getting connected to the PowerPoint site. Can you see that PowerPoint site? No, na?
Yeah, no, not PowerPoint. The folder we can see.
Okay. Unfortunately. Yeah, it's not streaming well. So that PowerPoint is also okay. Now it has come. I'll just stop here, and I acknowledge the co-director, Dr. Banerjee, allowing me to do the talk to various aspects of the nanomaterials in various sectors of energy applications. Also, the one DIT and my research scholars of the organic and hybrid nano laboratory, Rahul Sujit, are working nicely with me. So that's it, guys. If you have any questions or queries, you may please ask. Sorry that I could not show you that video, which was a really good one. But if I get a link of that video, I will just share with you.
I think the technical part has been well covered. So I request the participants, if they have some questions, please ask to the speakers.
That was much research, deep research. So I just gave the overall information about energy and the involved in that.
Okay, so if there are no more questions,
if they have any problem, they can connect with me via email. Yeah. You can share my email to them.
So if there are no more questions, we thank Dr. Chetan Ghongle for this wonderful talk on nanomaterials for energy application. So today we had most of the sessions related to energy and environment, starting from Dr. Prashant Kulkarni to Dr. Pradhan and now Dr. Chetan. Tomorrow we'll be seeing mostly for the applications in biomedical applications, then catalysis applications, as well as in industrial applications. So that tomorrow also be a good presentation. Speakers are lined up. So we'll meet tomorrow around 9:30.